Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing fragrances from Pantheon Roma. The two fragrances I'm gonna be adding to my collection from Pantheon Roma is Anniversario and Trastevere. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, but these two fragrances are from Italy. And let me show you Anniversario first. These are blind buys. I never smelled them before. This is gonna be the first time. I bought them based on the notes and the description of the fragrance. Since I love a lot Dolce Passione, I wanted to add a few more fragrances in my collection, and these two are the ones that caught my attention. And there's still one more that I'm gonna get in the future. Let me show you the bottle from Anniversario, and then we're gonna smell them together. It's black. This is the full-size bottle. I don't think they have a bigger size. I think they have a smaller size in this one. As you can see, the bottle is black and the details are silver. These are flowers. The cap is metallic. The inside of the cap is plastic. This is an Extrait de Parfum and is 100 ml. 3.4 fluid ounces. Smell like wood from here. And the packaging comes with this little brochure. Let me see what it says in the brochure. I think it's the story about the brand. I'm kind of disappointed in the type of boxes Pantheon Rome used for packaging their fragrances. This is very thin and very wobbly. Look, wow. This is supposed to be a luxurious fragrances, and they pack them in these thin boxes. I don't know. I'm not impressed with that. But I hope I like the fragrances. Look. This is just like paper, very, very thin boxes. I don't know. I think they should invest a little bit more on their packaging because this is too thin for these beautiful fragrances. But at least the box inside is hard and it protects the bottle well. But this, I'm not impressed. Trastevere. Trastevere, I think, is a place in Italy. Oh, the bottle is about the same color than the Anniversario, but the details are golden, all golden. The cap is also golden and plastic from the inside and metallic on the outside. It's really nice. I like it. I like the color of this bottle, all golden and black. Let me show you the difference. Anniversario is black and silver, and the cap is golden. And Trastevere is black and gold. And this is another Extrait de Parfum, 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces. And like all the bottles, it comes with the brochure with the story of their brand inspiration, or the inspiration of the brand, the story of Raffaello and his beloved one. This is a very tragic story. The first fragrance I'm going to smell for the first time is Anniversario. Anniversario. Let's smell it and see what I can perceive. This fragrance smells delicious. It's fruity. And I feel like it has oud. I don't know if it has pineapple, but it smells sweet, fruity, woody, pineapple. And it has a sexy type of note, like a sensual type of note. It's a little bit citrusy, fruity, sweet, maybe a little floral too. Mmm. It also smells like a wafer, like vanilla wafer or strawberry wafer. Wow, this fragrance is gourmand. Super delicious. Let me tell you the notes. Um, the notes on this fragrance are strawberry. I definitely feel the strawberry, like a strawberry vanilla wafer. Peach. I can smell the juicy peach. Coconuts. I don't smell the coconut yet. Saffron. Rose, I definitely feel the flowers. Jasmine, orchid, heliotrope. The flowers in here to me smell sweet. The base notes are patchouli. Wow, I like this patchouli. Sandalwood. I definitely smell the sandalwood since the beginning. Musk, vanilla, yes, and agarwood. I didn't remember the notes on this fragrance, but I'm happy that I was able to recognize some of them. My first impression on this anniversario is very positive. I really like it. I still need to wear it on my skin to see how long it lasts and how it dries down on my skin. Right now, my feeling is positive. This fragrance is delicious. I would say is a unisex fragrance, but you need to like the fruitiness. If you like fruity fragrances with flowers, like fruity, floral, but more elevated than the ones they sell at the mall, you will like this one. It's super delicious, it's sexy, it's sensual, because it has sandalwood, and that sandalwood make it like a little warm. This is a fragrance that to me it will be good for fall, winter, and spring, and summer also, but it's a little strong. It's sweet, and it has oud. It has agarwood, but agarwood I think is oud. It's super delicious. I'm happy with my Anniversario fragrance. I'm going to be doing a more in-depth review in the future of Anniversario, because this is only the first impression. But I'm happy with the first impression of Anniversario. Let's smell Trastevere. This smells a little different from the sprayer. Wow. This smells like coffee. Wow. Like cream, coffee, vanilla. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. Chocolate. Oh, my God, this smells like ice cream. Wow, vanilla ice cream with chestnut cream. It has some type of fruitiness also. Coffee. Wow, this fragrance smells like coffee, chestnut, or some type of nuts. I don't know if it has chocolate, vanilla, maybe a flower. I don't know which flower, or I don't know if it's a flower. It's a little powdery also. Oh wow, this fragrance is delicious. This is a gourmand. This smells like a dessert. The notes listed for these Trastevere fragrances are vanilla at the top, licorice, in the heart, more vanilla, caramel, jasmine. In the background, it has vanilla, davana, and chestnut cream. I can definitely smell the vanilla mixed with the chestnut cream. But for me, this fragrance also has some type of chocolate, coffee, and the flowers. That's what I feel. It make you feel like you wanna eat it. This is the type of gourmand fragrance that remind you of food. And I think this Trastevere perfume is unisex. I am very happy with my first impression on these fragrances. If you ask me which one is my favorite, I can no answer at the moment. I love them both the same. I'm really happy with my new addition, with my two Extrait de Parfums from Pantheon Rome. And that's it for today. Ooh, super, super exquisite. If you have any questions, leave me your comment. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you on my next video. Bye.